Hey kids! Welcome to Fun Time Learning. Are you ready to go on an animal adventure with us today? We'll meet animals that crawl, swim, fly, and even hop. Let's explore the amazing world of animals, mammals, reptiles, birds, and amphibians. So get ready, little explorers. Let's dive into the animal kingdom. First up, mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals that have hair or fur, and most of them give birth to babies, just like humans. Here are some fun examples. Elephants, the biggest land mammals. Dogs, our best furry friends. Monkeys, so playful and smart. Did you know? All baby mammals drink milk from their mothers. That's what makes them super special.
Now let's slither to the world of reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals with scaly skin. Most of them lay eggs and they love warm places. Reptile examples: snake, no legs but super smooth movers. Lizard loves to climb and hide in rocks. Turtle carries its home on its back. Reptiles can be found in deserts, forests, even your garden. Let's flap and fly to meet the birds. Birds have feathers, beaks, and most of them can fly. But some birds, like penguins and ostriches, can't fly but they're still birds. Examples: parrot, colorful and loves to talk. Owl sleeps in the day, hunts at night. Eagle, strong and flies high in the sky.
Now for something super cool, amphibians. These animals live both in water and on land. They are cold-blooded and have smooth, moist skin. Amphibian examples: frog, hops on land and swims in water. Salamander, looks like a lizard but loves water. Toad, like frogs, but with dry, bumpy skin. Amphibians begin life in water as tadpoles and then grow legs. It's like magic. Wow! We've met so many amazing animals today. Let's quickly recap. Repeat after me. Mammals have hair and drink milk. Reptiles have scales and lay eggs. Birds have feathers and beaks. Amphibians live in water and on land. Great job, Animal Explorer. You're a superstar learner. If you had fun learning with us today, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling.